Previously on the restroom.
So I've actually bought my other car up, my other project, which I've had for many years. So I'm going to actually do that now and try and get my new project on the road. This is my 1988 TVR 290S. The TVRS was launched in the 1986 International Motor Show, and they were produced from about 1988 to about 1994. Mine's got the 2.9 V6 out of a Sierra, and they produce about 170 brake. I've had mine since about 2017. There's a few mods done to it when I got it, including a full cage, and the bodywork has had the bumpers smoothed and the fuel tank filler smooth as well. First was to get it from my parents, where it's been for a while, and get it into the restroom. I did actually have it running at one point and was even driving, although the wiring is a bit dodgy, as you'll see later, so we thought just entertain the idea of seeing if it'll start.
Oh wow! Why is it on rubber? It's on little rubber bushes.
I think it's to stop vibration and shit. Yeah, that one's come off.
See you later. Right. Do you want to do the spraying of the stuff and I'll turn the key?
Okay.
Ready? I mean, to be fair, we probably should have checked the fuse for the fuel pump, shouldn't we?
Do you want to look down there? It's just a mess. The relay did click, to be fair. Something did click, so I'm pretty sure something's over.
She wants a bit of luck, don't she?
It turns over well, so as you can see, the wiring is just a mess on it. Someone's cut all the wires going to the engine wiring harness and then bodged them back together. So the first step is just to get rid of all this, because I've got a standalone Mega Squirt ECU to go in it and engine wiring harness made as well. So I'm going to just get rid of all the unnecessary wires, the original wires to the engine that are there, and just bin them, and then just start fresh with standalone ECU and fresh wiring.
There's going to be spitters in there, aren't there?
Right, so we've got ground, and that's for the distributor. That's the battery. Oh, so that must be the charging. No,
That's probably just a feed,
that's
isn't it?
just the feed. 12 volt. And then we got a couple for the throttle position sensor. And we got injectors.
Is this TVR specific then?
Oh, I gave him like the measurements, and then he
Are the coloured wires going to match up?
oh, I don't know about that. And then there's an air temperature one, which is different. And idle control, what's that one? And coolant temp. That's it, eh? Injectors and shit. Should we just lay it through and just lay it out and just see what it goes to? That's
Yeah, I can do it.
I mean, I was expecting it to stream out a bit more than just a trickle.
She looks a bit. Oh, it's going to look really good. Is that it?
That's it.
Well, I thought there was going to be loads. To be fair, once I've
There'll probably be quite a lot in the bottom. Shit. Where's the 10 mil?
I think it's in there actually. Off she comes. Your little tippy tapper. Beauty. Very beauty. Oh.
It's still in there.
It's probably rusted on, isn't it? Blow in some water.
Oh, no, don't do that, it's coming out there.
Don't you keep flirting.
I don't think we've got much on there. That's quite a good idea, though. I'll give you that.
It's that fucking bong. Ugh. Glad I didn't
Go
have,
back.
glad I didn't have my fucking mouth around that then. Imagine if I went to go and take a breath and just copped a mouthful of it. No, I was not expecting that to happen. Really.
It's green, isn't it? Is it green or is that my imagination? Or is it rusty brown?
That's rusty brown.
Rusty brown. Rusty brown.
It's a lump.
Don't it?
Lovely tone of rusty brown, aren't they? Well, mate, I hate this car.
Been working on it like a couple hours. Hate it.
Oh.
Cut it off. Just makes it easier to remove everything from the engine bay, so we can just route the wires nicely and just easier with everything out of the way. So now I can just run the new harness and just make sure everything is measured correctly and reaches everything. Then I can solder on a couple of plugs for specific sensors and things like that. But that's as far as I got in this episode. In the next episode, I'm actually going to try and lift the body partially so I can get to the outriggers, because they're the only concerning bit of rust which is on it. Obviously being fiberglass is a bonus, but there is a little bit of rust on the chassis, so I'm going to hopefully sort that out next time. Thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe and like the video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, it is at The Rust Room. Mm.